The double jersey circular knitting machine is a new model of our company in 2023. We have made some changes in appearance, which is more beautiful than the previous model and more in line with customers' preferences. The upgrade of the kit is also a major feature of this machine. We use accuracy type stitch on the cam box, which is accurate and beautiful. The kit also has a center stitch to adjust the fabric weight by adjusting the rise and fall of the whole plate. The woven cloth sample is clean and advanced. We have adopted a new control panel, which can switch between Chinese and English language at will, making the operation more convenient. The hollowed-out design at the auto oiler box of the electric box can better dissipate heat.